Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm righty, and I'm lefty. We got a kookabook, a Betty Cracker. We're going to do pizza. Never made my homemade pizza crust before. We're going to try it. Well, we got here what we need. I don't have the cheese out yet, but pepperonis. You don't have to have a little bit of wheat flour, but I'm going to try some. Sugar, pizza sauce, 1 cup of warm water, 1 package of yeast, dissolving in that, a little bit of cooking oil. I'll go through measurements as we go. Some regular flour, a little bit of salt. I've got me some pre-cooked sausage. Pre-cook your sausage before you make pizza, folks. Pre-cook it. Then it goes on pizza topping. We're going to fire up the oven and bake. We want 425 degrees. Trying to do this early in the morning so we don't die. Alright, let me get the, I don't need the cheese yet. We'll get the mozzarella cheese when we get there. Alright, so here we go. Into my bowl, right chow, I say. See how this yeast is getting foamy. That's a good thing. So, we're going to put our yeast, right chow, in the bowl, right chow. It's foaming up, looks good to me, yeah? Okay, I'm going to do that. And, 1 teaspoon of sugar, that's here. 1 teaspoon of sugar goes in. And I'm going to say about like that's a teaspoon sugar. Put this way out the way because I need the room as I go. Okay, got a little bit of sugar. We got 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt, that's this stuff right, y'all. Pour out about 1 teaspoon of salt. Any kind of salt you want. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Get this out of my way. And we're going to do that. What else do we need? 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Tablespoons? Double checking just to make sure I don't want to lie to you. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Just going to guess it here. Come on. 1, 2. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. That can go back out my way. And okay, that's just going to fall over. That's fine for right now. And 2½ cups of all-purpose or whole wheat flour. So I'm going to go with, these are ½ cup measurements here, so 2½ cups I said, so there's half. There'd be 1, 1½ come on, 2, right? Then I'm going to stop that, and I'm going to go with, get off of me, you're falling over, whisk, and I'm going to go with ½ cup of whole wheat flour just to see if it tastes good. I don't know, I've never made pizza crust before. I've never made pizza dough. Alright, we're going to go with that. ½ cup of the whole wheat. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up real good here. If you're doing it by hand, it said give it about 20 good folds or so. I believe, yeah, 20 strokes vigorously, like this. Like that or something, I don't know. But we're going to put this down in my case. I got a dough hook on. I'm going to hit this up here on slow to start with. I'll turn it up on maybe 2. I'm going to see if to let this work this in with the dough hook for a little bit. Then the hard part comes. Then this dough, right y'all, once it gets in the dough, it's going to rest for 5 minutes. You're not going to let it rise. It's pizza dough. You're just going to let it rest. 5 minutes. I guess that they're saying the yeast is there just for the flavor more than anything. So we're going to do this. And just let this work around. Looky here. Looky. See how it's making a little ball in there? We're going to let that work all that in. Best we can here. And that'll beat it up pretty good. So I'll see you back here with that dough. No, that's Jacksepticeye, not me. She's a Jacksepticeye fan. Who isn't, right? But anyways, we'll see you back here when this is made into a dough and rested 5 minutes. And then we'll build us a pizza. Hooray! I love pizza. See you back here. That rested 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5. Welcome back, folks. We're going to build us a pizza. That dough has been resting 5 minutes. The oven's up, 425 degrees, with floured hands, it says. All right. Okay. We're going to try this. With floured hands. These are the days of our floury hands. All right. Let's flour my hands up. And it says this is a lightly greased baking dish. And it says you can make this dough in half and make 2 10-inch pizzas out of it. Round kind of shaped. And poke it in there. I am going to shoot for 1 pan-sized pizza. That's what I'm going to shoot for. Good, because I'm a badass. Dingle puppy's wanting out. Floured hands. I need more floured hands. How about if I just floured lightly the pizza top? It'll flour my fucking hands. It ain't sticking right. There we go. I'm going to mush this all out. I'm going to try to get it nice and thin. No throwing it in the air. None of that fancy schmancy stuff. I'm going to smack this out here and stretch. Kind of pull it a little bit. And smack this out like this. It ain't going to be perfect shape. It's homemade, you know what I mean? The BLGita. BLGita. That's a good one, BLG. Well, thank you, Lefty. Thank you, BLGita. Dingo's screaming as I can here. Don't want it too nasty, but what can you expect? It ain't going to be perfect. It's a hand-made, homemade, pizza crust and pizza. Alrighty, we're back. Thank you. Thank you for waiting. I had to wash off. Righty was a mess. I was a complete mess. Stuff wouldn't come off. Okay, so we got our crust all beat out here nicely. I like the look of that. We're going to take this sauce up on here and pour a little bit of sauce around on our pizza. Gotta leave some for the mama to make her pizza. I'm gonna put me some sauce up on chaw. About like so, I think. By the time I work it around, we'll work it around here with this. And working it around. Pizza sauce. I'm not too bad at this. Look at this. Just lightly skimming. I'm petting the sauce. I'm petting the sauce across the pizza. Pizza sauce petting party. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah. Alright. Well, we got that on there pretty good. It's good enough. Try to get some over here, pat it down. That's pretty decent. We got some sauce here and there. It's good enough on the pizza, I think. Just like that. Now, I don't need that. Okay, I'm going to throw that over there against the wall, I guess. We're going to sprinkle our sausages on here. Well, maybe better yet, just grab them and sprinkle them on. Oh, now we're talking. Random sausage sprinkler here. Like this. Whatever other toppings you want. I'm just going standard here. You could do onions, black olives, whatever you want. Green peppers, bell peppers, elephant, penguin. I don't care. Anything you want on the pizza. I'm doing a little bit of sausage like that. Put this piece there. Little piece over here like this. Got a few pieces kind of close together. That's fine. Okay, that'll work. It's homemade. What do you expect, right? Wash the fingers. Towel. Now we're going to jump into our pepperonis. Hey, the pepperonis. And I can put as many of these as I want. Haha, the mama can't have pepperonis. But I can. We're going to throw some pepperonis around here. Bam! And I'm going to basically just coat the shit out of it with pepperonis. Here, there. Oh, Mama can have pepperoni. I think she just doesn't eat it. She don't like it. I don't like anything you like, BLG.
No, it's spicy.
It's not spicy. It's pepperoni. Pepperoni pizza and sausage and stuff. Some of that there. We're getting almost ready to put cheese on this bad mother. Yeah, look at that. BLG and homemade pizza. His first try ever at making pizza dough and stuff. I think that looks pretty good. You want a pepperoni, Dingo? Yeah. There you go, buddy. Alright, rinse off the finger skin, sink. Once again, as usual, got the sink full of dishwater, warm, hot dishwater. Okay, so there's our pepperoni part. And there's all that stuff, and the sauce and the flour over there needs to be put away. I don't know. I don't know if I can shut that or not. We are. Oh, cute puppies make you famous. I told you they're home. Look at that cute dingo. Dingo puppy. Say hi to everybody. Say good day, mate. He says good day, mate. Cute little dingo puppies make you famous. Snowman's not feeling too good, but he's getting better. I think he's getting around a little bit better. He's just taking it easy. He's got his medicines and stuff. So I'm going to take some of this cheese and sprinkle it on up in here. On top of the pepperoni, yes. Oh, but BLG, put the pepperoni on top. I don't feel like it. Not right this time. I'm going to try this method. I've seen it done before from somewhere. Some place puts every toppings on the bottom. So I'm just going to try that just to be different. Put a little more of this cheese here. A little bit more of this cheese here. Sprinkle it up over the top. Over here. And a little more cheese here. Like this. I'm going to say that's pretty damn good looking pizza right there. I'll accept that. I have to. Not going to throw it away and start over now, folks. Not happening. And I can't shut that bag either, so fuck that. Stupid Ziploc bag bastard. Oh, I'm going to invent something to just piss that bastard off. His head's fucked up. He'll never close me. Fucking bastard. Anyways, here we go. Into the oven right, y'all. You can see the oven. It's the same oven. This is going to go 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll see you back here when that pizza comes out of that oven, 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll see what she looks like. There you have it, folks. Look at that. BLJ made a pizza. You can make one with him. Oh boy. Great days, great days. Yeah, there's a pizza right there, buddy. I ain't going to try to cut it up. I just took it out. I'm going to let it sit for a while. Then I'll cut it up. Probably shove it in a bag or something. Clean up this, but here's a pizza. Homemade pizza. And it's nice. You can hear the crust. Crunchy. Nice. I like the little toasted top cheese. Oh, hell yeah. I don't have my hat on, but you'll have to live with it. I got shit hair. But hope you enjoyed this episode. Hands on with BLG. Got another subscriber, Jojo. Thank you very much. He subscribed yesterday. That makes 41, folks. The machine inches forward. Hit the little like buttons if you like the videos. Let me know what you want me to make. If you have any suggestions, comments down below. Just stop in and say hello. Haha. Anyways, for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, and BLG, I'm Lefty. I'm Righty. We'll see you guys back here in the next episode. Peace out. Bye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around and learn from